In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can connect your Telefunken TV to Wi-Fi and what you can do if it don't work. So for the first time, we click on this home button here, and then after that go to the left. Here go to the left, go on settings. So and when we are here, we click on connection. So go to the right, click on network, or if you want to connect with like mobile hotspot or something else, click on mobile device connection. So but when you want to connect with Wi-Fi, click on this here, and then here we have network configuration. So for the first step, turn this here on, and after that we can click on here, and then here we can look for our Wi-Fi. So click on this, and here you can type in the password. So after that we can also go in the advanced settings, and here we see IP settings and something else, but this is not really important. So what we can do here is we can go on internet connection, go on net connection test, and here, okay, connection test is successful. This is the first step we can do. Here are also our network information. So, and if this don't help, what we can do is turn this here off and wait like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can turn it on. This is to restart your whole Wi-Fi. So if this not helps, we can also go on system, and here in the system we can go on the advanced settings, and then here we can we go on support, and this is the right thing we have to do. And here we can do as a factory reset to restart our whole TV, and then the network should work again. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.